Pump hop, we going to Ford's. We made it to Washington.
We made it.
We made it. Pump hop, what do you think about it? Oh.
Yeah, wishy-washy. Oh, pump hop, I get it. Washington.
So funny. So we made it to Washington. We are staying at this campground called South Beach Campground. This is our spot. We are right on the water. It is beautiful. Just today is kind of cloudy and foggy. So me and Hayes are going to take a little walk down to the water. She'll probably go swimming. I'm not going to because it's freezing. But let's go. So we're walking on the beach that's right by our campsite. The campers are up there, you can see. Hazel found a piece of driftwood. She always has to find a souvenir. James is down there skimboarding. I don't know if you can see him through the fog, but yeah, it's a nice spot. It's just a little chilly, and obviously you can't really swim in the beach or in the water unless you have a wetsuit or something, but it's still a nice place to camp. You look soaking. What'd you do, Paul?
What? Yeah.
Swept away! No! So we just got back to the beach. We tried to skimboard because the water looked like it'd be perfect for it. And then we got down there and it's a lot deeper than it looks and it's just so windy. The board's really getting thrown all over the place. So I came back. Me and Hazel are now watching the sunset through our window. I'll pass you hi. It's our view right now. There was just a couple sea lions, and somebody said there was like whales or something too, which I wish I got to see, but I was walking back up from skimboarding. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorite campsites that we've been to so far, just because I love the beach. Like, I always just want to be on the beach. Not too big of a fan of mountains like James is, but I mean the past year of our van life thing has been in the mountains, so my turn, we get the beach. But yeah, this place is definitely gorgeous. Anybody should stop here if you guys are passing through Washington, especially on your way to Forks. She loves some of them. We got our paper for the Twilight Tour. Don't do that today. Yeah.
It was literally all like 12-year-old girls in there.
Oh my gosh, shush.
And we were at the museum the other day. It was all 12-year-old girls.
Well, if you know, I was little when the movies came out, so I'm sure a lot of you were too. Shush.
A little
First stop is the high school, but I don't think it's the one from the movie because it don't look like it.
Was that angry Indian head on it?
I don't think so.
Or Native American head?
Maybe it was filmed like inside, but I don't know. It doesn't look the same. So today my adventure is going around and refilming everything from the other day because my GoPro decided to not work, I guess, and it deleted all my footage from our Forks tour. So that was fun. So this is the Cullen house that they say was in Twilight. It is now a bed and breakfast. Hard to see. It's literally on a main road, so I can't really stop. But me and James are kind of just driving around taking some cool Jeep pics, you know how it be. But yeah, I mean, it pretty much just looks like an old, like a forest that they are cutting down a bunch of trees in. But I mean, it's got pretty views in the mountains and everything like that. Plus I kind of wanted to test out, sorry, seatbelt. I wanted to test out my suspension on not too rough of stuff, just to kind of see how it would ride before I do anything crazy when I go to Moab. Where the f did he go? Well, there's a right and a left, and he didn't tell me where he went, so. Oh, can't go that way, so that answers my question. Action. It's like I'm not even going. Ow! I'm getting confused.
I wonder if we tried to get her out of stick mode.